use it and drink the pap.
I'll use it here.
Hey guys, good morning. Greetings according to time. It's another beautiful day. Stay with me. This is breakfast. Breakfast. Make we do breakfast for my girl. Chiso. Yeah, can you remember that you see again? This water, but pour it away. All this water, each of my help you take it outside. If they are sweeping, they mop it at once. That place is water. If you are fetching water, stop pouring water on the grass. This place is very, very irritating. You are outside is irritating. If you enter inside again, inside you still be irritating. Yeah? Take the water outside, not all like all this bath and leave the white one. Then you mop that place. Clean it before I will come back. Be a good girl. Yeah? Also. So let's do pap. Breakfast. Have you eat? No. You have not eat? You have to eat it. And that bread you have eat it half. Children remain, eat your mother and carry then she give. Not that you use it as your breakfast. So last you still come and eat again. Once you have eat once at once. Eat it once and for all. Children remain for you, you carry. You use the tea and drink it. And I ask you say you have not eat, but you still use bread though. Now you are still going to repeat again. So let's do the pap. Eh? We use it this way. So guys, please keep supporting, okay? Keep supporting. Keep supporting, keep liking, okay? And keep subscribing. So I'm done with the pap. Now you know what sugar? I'll put the water. I'll come back and wash it.
Maybe I'll drink coffee. I'll drink coffee.
You drink coffee?
If you have the coffee, you can't drink coffee. Eh? That one is do coffee. I'll drink tea. I'll drink tea. If it's coffee, but come out. Coffee is milk.
Take what and put inside cup. I need to use it. don't do the part for her. Carry. So next, let me get ready. I need to go to shop. So let me get ready. There's this thing here that is different. Just made one. There's one girl that passed it, and then after I had to come and change, leave it so the person will continue. So it won't be different. I can even see it myself. It's different. I only enter inside. She wants to do brush. So guys, now I have finally set my hair. So here is my hairstyle. How do you see my hair? So I let my hair yesterday. Yeah, this is simple hairstyle. So how do I look? It's giving, right? So let me get ready. I want to go to shop. Let me get ready and just up. Then I'll start going. Okay? Shall we soon? So guys, I'm done pressing up. Yeah. So I'm gonna be going now. I'll slap you. Okay? Keep supporting. Okay? Keep liking. Keep commenting. Okay? Thank you. I have a wonderful day. Bye for now.